Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Welcome to my channel. In this clip, I want to introduce a project which has a lot of physics for different kinds of cars, trucks, sedan or Formula One or kart machine or even now long trucks or wheeled tanks. Okay, let's take a look at this plugin. You can find it in here. Just Invoke has released this plugin almost 3 years ago, but he has updated. The last update was for 6 months ago. It's called Randomation Vehicle Physics. I will share this link uh, in the description of this video. You just need to download the whole project here by downloading zip and import the assets folder into your project. But remember, you need to import, you need to import this input manager dot assets into your project settings folder as well. Without that input manager, you can't play with this uh, plugin. Okay, after you import your this plugin to your project, you will see here it has audio, fonts, material, models, physics material. It is important, and important part is sample scenes. Even it works for mobile as well. And in here, for example, we play the scene, and as you can see, it has a lot of kinds of cars. Okay. Now, for example, I press RWD and look at this. Excellent. And here we can play another car. For example, monster truck. Look at this. Yes. Okay. And now, for example, we can select this guy. Big rig. It's really beautiful. Okay. And now, for example, we can play with this car. Yeah, it's kind of hovercraft, but for example, sweet games or whatever. And we have this famous car. That is. It has really accurate physics and beautiful gameplay. You can use this project into your games or simulations. Okay, I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Don't hesitate to ask any question related to Unity, AR, VR, and XR. Subscribe my channel and like this video if you like it. Have a great time. Bye bye.